Hey everyone, welcome to Bro Smart, and in this video I'm going to show you how to edit your Instagram photos on your Android smartphone using Adobe Lightroom. Easy and quick. So let's get started. So basically cropping is very easy on this application. So you will get, and as you can see, the pandal over here is cropped. So I will crop it like this and just rotate it a bit. Also the geometry tool is very useful, but as I mentioned, I don't have the premium, so I cannot use the geometry, but no worries. From here I can easily edit the photo and keep the idol in center. As you can see, the Jagadhatri Ma is in the center like this. Yeah, so as you can see, it is looking nice, I guess. Now so I will click on this arrow tool over here to save the edit. So as you can see, it is looking nice, but I wish I had the geometry so I could easily change the perspective. So whatever it is, it is looking good. So now moving on to the fun part, which is color correction. You can, if you are just starting out, you can easily use the auto feature to auto colorize your photos, but it will not look good because as you can see, the face became yellower and it is oversaturated and it is not looking that good. So I will undo it and color correct it manually. Also, I have this preset pack that I made, the teal and orange, but as you can see, the teal and orange won't work over here. So yeah, I had to color correct it manually. So what I will do, I will go to first to light and change the exposure level. So I took the photo at daytime, but the idol was inside the panel, so there wasn't that much light. So I will just increase a bit, like 0.30, 0.34, and I will also increase the contrast so that the hair and all the black colors inside the photo will be a bit darker. And also in the highlight section, I will increase it a bit, not too much. If you increase it too much, the photos will get overexposed and it will not look good. Again, just like the contrast, I will just decrease the shadows level up to -60 so that the blacks become more. Also in the white and black, as the name suggests, if you increase the whites become more brighter. So the whites will become more bright. So yeah, I will just increase it up to 30. And if you look at the lion, you can easily notice it because earlier when I took the photo, the lion was in shadow. Again, I will decrease the black up to -20. As you can see, the photo is now crisp and everything you see in the photo from hair to the flowers are in detail. Now just beside the light, you will find color. This is the main part actually. This is very interesting. So click on color. The face of the idol and the background, which is in Bengali we call chala, is yellow in color. And if you increase the temperature up to like 15 or 10, it won't look that good. It will look oversaturated and it will look unnatural. So what I will do is just decrease the temperature.
Girlfriend, you gotta get it right. Girlfriend, you gotta learn to fight. Girlfriend, you gotta get it right. Keep your eyes on the prize. Girlfriend, you gotta get it right. You gotta want it with all your might. Girlfriend, you gotta learn to fight. I know you're gonna be alright. You wanna make your way in this crazy world. Step up, girl, you got what it takes. They always say don't make waves. Don't you listen? No. You gotta speak up, speak up. You gotta dare and speak your mind. You gotta get loud, or you'll always be behind. 'Cause girl, you gotta let them know that you mean it, you mean it. 'Cause girl, you gotta let them know to keep those hands away from you. So, girlfriend, you gotta get it right. Girlfriend, you gotta learn to fight. Girlfriend, you gotta get it right.
So now coming to teal and orange. So here is a beautiful photo of the sky, the pandal of Durga Puja that I clicked.
You need a man to keep you down, 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 Girlfriend, you gotta learn to fight. Girlfriend, you gotta learn to fight.
If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comment section, and also you can watch these 2 videos on the screen. Thank you for watching. This is Bro Smart, and I will see you guys in my next video.